Good name. Good name.
Good.
Your name?
My name is George.
George. You're from Russia, right?
From Russia.
This is our own culture. We're making some games today.
Games
related to our cultural game. Like we are from India. From Mangalore. So we are.
Common.
This is like our logo, cultural logo.
Okay, understand.
So every year we are making some program like in the morning to evening. This is the 11th year we are celebrating successfully. So nice to meet you in this.
Good food.
Actually, this is our tradition.
Traditional.
We are eating this one in the lunch and night also. This is like dry fish, like fish. This is one of the kind of fish I don't know.
Understand.
Tasty. This is nice. This is mango.
Mango.
This is some like
Grapes.
grains and chutney. We are calling this one chutney. This is pickle. This is rice. We are telling our language.
Very hot.
This is spicy. So we are calling this one our language is Gowji.
Okay.
How you like it? This one?
Okay, thank you.
Welcome, sir.
Okay, brother, Jai Tulunadu.
Jai Tulunadu. Say Jai Tulunadu.
Jai Tulunadu.
Okay, thank you.